Have you ever heard an elephant seal snore? It's like a freight train trying to find its way back to bed. Elephant seals are large marine mammals known for their size and the male's trunk-like nose. Males can reach up to 20 feet and weigh over 8,000 pounds, while females are smaller. Their bodies are covered in thick blubber, which keeps them warm and reduces drag in the water. Their streamlined shape helps them swim easily, but limits movement on land. Elephant seals have large eyes with more rods and a special layer called the tapetum lucidum, enhancing their vision in the dark ocean depths. They can hold their breath for over an hour to hunt and can fast for long periods while breeding or molting. Once hunted for their blubber, they are now protected